You know what? We're over on Kirby. It's a wonderful store. But you know what? You know who this is.
Hi, I'm Chef Nettie. You remember me.
Now, we want to tell you, the Bible says that the older women should teach the younger women. So this is a show for you younger women to know how to cook that great meal, that husband-getting meal.
For sure.
And maybe we need to do it because both of us single too.
I know, right? It says through a man's stomach, through his heart is through his stomach. So here's
See, we don't even remember the saying
I know, right?
anymore.
It's been so long.
The saying says, anyway. So I figured turkey and dressing.
Yeah, turkey and dressing. We'll start with that.
Okay, and people love ham. Okay, macaroni and cheese.
Macaroni and cheese.
But I like potato salad.
Yeah, me too. It's like, but you got to have the greens too to balance off some of the potatoes and the macaroni and cheese. Beautiful.
No one can beat Fiesta in the greens.
Those are healthy. Those are great looking greens. Do you have any smoked turkey to go with that?
Is it?
See, old school. I tell you, smoked turkey. This is the best to season your greens with. You don't have to worry about anything. One or two of these pieces in those greens, you got a great bunch of greens.
You got a great bunch of greens. Oh yeah, and wash the greens. Wash them.
Most definitely.
Wash them leaf by leaf.
Yes, most definitely. Even sprinkle a little salt in the water and squash them just like with your hands, like you're doing laundry or something. Just go for it.
Yeah, but the other thing is, you can let them soak for a while.
For sure, yeah.
And then you can wash them, each one of those. You don't want the grit in the greens.
Oh, no.
It is a ruin. I've never done that before.
They might think it's pepper, but no, we don't want the grit.
So let's get on the dressing.
Okay. So listen, the best thing to do is to do a timeline. I think a timeline is so important because especially with dressing, you can make it ahead. You can get your cornmeal, old school flour.
Why do they need cornmeal? Now,
to make the old-fashioned cornbread mix.
No.
Oh, here we go.
They have taken the time to put this in a nice bag and put this in a nice box. We want their efforts to be appreciated. So
use the old-fashioned cornmeal to make a big pan of cornbread dressing. Old school.
3 minutes. Old school, 3 minutes.
Worth the effort, trust me.
Yeah, but if you want, and some people like sweet cornbread. Cornbread dressing. I don't really like it. Do you?
Not sweet cornbread dressing.
Either.
No.
But anyway, if you do, the box.
Yes.
If you don't, old school cornbread like your mom used to make, 3 minutes.
No matter what your choice is,